So I think honestly, out of all the curly hair I've received, I'm gonna go ahead and say this is my favorite.
So you guys, we're gonna get right into this. This is my Sunber Hair, and this is how the packaging came. So it came with a wig cap, which is awesome. I love when they send the wig cap. Came with this comb that you can sew into it. It also came with an elastic band that you can see right here that you can sew into it as well if you choose. And then this is the wig itself. Those curls are so pretty. I can't even wait to see this like brushed out. Y'all, look at these curls. They are so freaking pretty. This curl pattern is the Nov.com. I can already tell. I can't wait to put this on. So jumping right into this tutorial, you guys, I have never really showed you how I actually apply my wig. So I'm just cutting some holes for my ears into this cap so that the ears part doesn't like stick away from my scalp, and so that's easier to lay. And then I'm going to use the Got2b glue, and I'm going to put that all along the hairline. Once the Got2b is dried, I like to take the wig and map out the placement for where I want the wig to sit on my head. When I was doing the placement on the wig, I actually realized I didn't really like the hairline all the way. Originally, I didn't think it was going to need plucking, but I ended up just going in and plucking it just so it looks more natural. And I'm pulling out these front pieces because I don't like baby hairs on like the top part, like your forehead part. I just like my baby hairs on the side, so I'm just pulling this out because I'm not going to use those. So this is one side after plucking, and then this is the other side before I pluck that side. So now I'm going to go in with a pencil. Normally I use a white eyeliner, but I just didn't know where I had mine. So I like to outline so that when I go to cut the wig cap, I don't like to just aimlessly cut the wig cap because I never cut it right if I do it that way. So I literally have to make an outline, and then I'll cut right behind the outline. And that's how I get it like perfect. When I'm cutting my wig caps, I feel like you get a lot more of a clean cut if you use a razor. I'm only using scissors because I couldn't find where I placed my razor at this moment, but you get such a clean cut if you use a razor versus using scissors. It's just you have to be careful with it. So this is my first layer of glue. And now I've applied my second layer, and I'm just going to take the wig and I'm going to make sure I lay it right on top of where I put the glue. You don't want to lay it behind the glue because then it's just going to make a mess. I'm just going through and I'm just pressing everything down to make sure that it's laying flat and even. And then I'm going to take a scarf and I'm going to tie that down. Before I lay the baby hairs, I'm going to let the scarf sit first, and then I'll go back afterwards later and lay the baby hairs. This is the wig laid down, and I really like this hair, and it's super bomb because this is actually day 3. So I started this video on day 1. This is day 3 that I'm showing you right now. This this is the finished product of the hair. The curls are really pretty. It moves perfect. And honestly, I'm in love with this hair.
These are my new headbands. I'm gonna wear this in another video though, so I can actually do a video. Y'all can actually really see my headband. So I'm going to pop this on and finish doing some things around the house. And I will see you all in my next video. Oh my god, this thing is so cute. I finally have some of my own, you guys. So I'll be selling that. So I'll be selling these if y'all would. I'll be selling these if y'all would like to purchase one. They say popped for all my cherry bombs out there watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and please leave a comment down below. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up so that tons of people can find it, because y'all, I went in on this hair and makeup tutorial, okay? Like, I need people to actually find this and see the greatness, okay? So give it a thumbs up so that more people can find my video. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one.